Hi there! I am so excited to share with you 2 paper pads. I have one by Nina Stajmer. I don't know how to pronounce it. This is Little Fawn and Friends. They're 12 by 12 premium quality papers. And from Authentique, I have Meadow. This is going to be 16 sheets of double-sided paper. So let's get started. Little Fawn and Friends is super cute. It's got like a little woodland creature motif going on. They have 40 double-sided sheets and acid-free premium quality papers. This opens like this. This is super cute. So here are the fawns. I think what I'm going to do is zoom in a little bit, and that way you'll get a closer image. Oh, look at this. Very pretty. Let's see what's behind it. Pine cones. This is nice cardstock here. Is this a different page? Yes. I like the hedgehogs. Now these are all hedgehogs here. See, they had the little hedgehogs on this page with the deer and the little bird and mouse. And now this is all hedgehogs and toadstools. This is adorable paper. So you have the hedgehog and the squirrel. Well, that's the squirrel. That's a chipmunk. The fox. And toadstools. I like the toadstools. Oh, these two are so pretty. It's so pretty. I'd actually like it for wallpaper. I really I just love prints. I love paper, and I love prints and designs and patterns. I could look at prints all day long. Skunk, he's new. So these toadstools have snails. Okay, that's it for this book. Let's go ahead and thumb through real quick. Tell me if you see a favorite. My favorite. Love the toadstools. Bunnies, another favorite. Oh, another favorite. This is my favorite book. Okay, let's try another one. And here's the other one, Meadow by Authentique. So let's open it up. Okay, so this is Meadow. I really like this one because it's kind of folksy. It's kind of the sound of music. Okay, so this reminds me of the little goats, the sound of music. The colors are super cute. There's like little Hansel and Gretel. Super cute. Okay, let's see what we got. So this is the cover. And here are some things you can cut out and add to your journaling or your notes or your cards. How cute is that? Ooh, I like that. I love gingham, but I've never really seen it in brown, and that is very, very cute. I have a feeling I'm going to just love all of these. Here's a pretty pattern of mint. And these little, are these clocks? Yes, they're clocks. Those are cute. If you wanted to make a journal cover out of this, this would be pretty good. Here are the goats. A little calico print. Ooh, pretty, pretty, pretty. The forest. Look how pretty it looks with the brown. Do y'all remember when they used to have wallpaper stores. My mother and I would go into the wallpaper stores and stay for like an hour, just looking at, not even to buy, not even to wallpaper anything. We just love the patterns. They're so pretty to look at, all of them. And then we'd say, "Ooh, look at this one. Oh, look at that one." It's crazy. Look at this. That'd be a pretty bathroom wallpaper. Ooh, look at this one. Just the same as that one. Now, are we doubling up here? I believe we are. Okay, so looks like, is there any more? No, those are them. Okay, so let's take a look at some of these. Again, we'll sort of put them. I can't thumb through them because they're not attached. So I sort of have to place them like this. Okay, I'm going to show you my favorite. It's this gingham. And I believe I also like, I don't know why I'm getting so attracted to browns. Those two look good. Looks cute. I think that's cute. Okay, now I'm just playing. I'm just totally playing. Please tell me I'm not the only one. Okay, love this. And this. So these are my favorite right here. What do you think? Tell me what you like. Leave a comment below. And this paper, again, is very nice. It's slicker than the other paper. Let me get the other paper again. This Little Fawn, this is harder and more matted and thicker, and this is slicker, but they're both fantastic. They're both fantastic. I love them both. That's why I bought them. Okay. Thank you all. Have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.